Hello, good morning everybody. My name is Vishvadeep and I welcome you all on Unacademy Computer Science Channel for unlimited learning. In today's lecture, I am going to talk about one of the most important topic of the data structure, which is traversals in the tree. Why it is most important? Just because there are so many questions have been asked from this particular topic in previous years, in gate exam, in other exams also. Plus there are so many other small topics which are directly dependent on this particular topic. So without any fail, we all will learn this particular topic today in the most effective and most easiest way. So without any delay, let's get started. Before I go further, let me introduce myself. My name is Vishvadeep. I went to Bangalore for my masters, written the gate multiple times, 1919, 440, 682. These are few of my ranks. Then you can see a rich experience in teaching, 9 years plus in only gate and EAC. These are the courses I am taking on Unacademy's platform for you guys. What you can learn here is so many things from us, apart from the courses, apart from the regular gate courses. Also we are conducting semester batches, we are conducting placement sessions, we are conducting the machine learning classes also for you. So this particular channel is giving you a lot. Just be regular, be consistent and learn from these classes. You will definitely learn a lot. Other than that, we have another opportunity for you to learn for free, which is on Unacademy's platform. Go to the unacademy.com or download Unacademy Learner app and follow my profile. What you get over there is special classes. Those special classes are for free. In the special classes, last time, just 2 days before, on Friday, I started data structure revision. So all those members who are following my regular classes here can follow those special classes for free, so that you can revise those sessions easily, which we have already learned. So today also we are having a session at 3 p.m. It's absolutely free. Go to Unacademy's platform, download the app or unacademy.com and search my profile, follow there, so that you will get the link of my classes every time whenever I'll be getting the classes. Plus you will be getting the notification also. If you want to learn all my previously taken special classes in more organized way, then this is the URL. Go to this particular URL, and after that you are going to have a well organized way of accessing all my special classes. There is a web page on this particular URL. Go and check it out. आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा और अच्छे organized way में, whatever you are seeking for practice questions, MSQs, then speed rapid fire questions and some theory sessions and lots of things I have taught over there. Fine. Other than that, we have started a test series also. It's absolutely free. Enroll for it. आपको लगता है free test series होगी तो ऐसे ही होगी, एम ही होगी? अरे मैंने questions बनाए हैं. I have prepared the question and I know what quality questions I have given for this particular test series. So go and check it out. The test series is pretty amazing. You will be having good questions in that test series. Subject wise tests, and number of tests are also so many, more than 20 tests. So go and check it out, enroll for it and give the test, so that you can assess your preparation. And if you want to have your preparation to the another level, highest possible level, if you don't want to waste your time for the doubt solving and so on, if you don't want to be here and there just to get the practice questions and practice sets, then you need to come on Unacademy Plus. If you are really serious about your preparation, somehow invest some money in your career. The career will return a lot. It's an investment in your career building, which is most important. Just because if you will invest something in your career will return you a lot in terms of money, status, name, fame, everything. So invest a little bit in terms of your efforts, money, your time, priority, everything in your career, and it will revert with lots of benefits. But the only thing is, first of all, you need to understand the importance of your career. So if you are really thinking, no, you need to be very serious about your career, then go for Unacademy Plus. And on Unacademy Plus, you can take subscription of 24 months, 18 months, 12 months, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month also, and those subscriptions are available with you in discount if you use the code VDEEP10. This particular code is not the discount code only, it's an emotion. It is an emotion. That particular emotion will connect your preparation with my team's hard work. My team is working a lot, working very hard to make your preparation perfect, to make your preparation really effective, efficient, and for that this particular code is the key to get that particular connection done. So if you are really interested in your preparation, in your best career, go for Unacademy Plus subscription. आज ही लीजिए, as soon as possible. You just take it so that you guys will be having your most effective preparation for your examinations. If you want iconic subscription, that is another level of plus subscription. Another level means all the facility of plus subscription plus extra benefit of having a personal coach. That personal coach will work for you as a personalized, customized manner, means that fellow will prepare the strategies which are personalized for you, give you the planner, study planner, and will track your performance, will give you the study booster sessions, will analyze the test for you. So if any mistake you do in the test series or in any kind of small quiz, then those problems can be solved. Apart from that, preparation material also, practice sets also will be provided to you apart from the regular classes. So all these things come under the iconic subscription, and this particular iconic subscription also come into the discount if you use the code VDEEP10. ये कोड याद रखना है आपको. This particular code will unlock lots of benefits apart from the discount and Unacademy Plus subscription. Apart from that, lots of other benefits you'll be going to get. And those benefits of course will help you a lot if you'll be getting my mentorship and my team support. Okay, fine. So now we are going to start the class, but before that I want your 100% attention. I want your 100% energy to be put here to learn, just because this is the topic which will help you to solve at least one or two gate question in the gate exam this year. Definitely there will be a question, in the gate exam. Definitely there will be a few questions from this particular topic somehow, directly or indirectly. So you need to learn the basics first with the maximum efforts, so that we will have the best learning out of any other topic based on this. So if you are ready, yes, 100% ready, 200% ready, great, amazing. So if you haven't liked the video को like कर दो and share it with all of your friends so that they also can join us live here quickly, and let's go. And this is recap what we have till now learned. Basic tree, what is the root, leaf, internal and external node, and everything. Level, depth, height. Binary tree is what? Binary tree, height, and all other things we have already seen. Now today we are going to talk about tree traversals. There are three type of traversals possible: pre-order, in-order, post-order. What is pre-order traversal? Pre means before. So this pre-order traversal says that first of all you need to traverse the node. N means node. After that you need to traverse the left subtree recursively same way. So it's left subtree, complete left subtree you traverse, and after that complete right subtree you traverse. So node, then left subtree, then right subtree. This is the order of traversal in pre-order. In the in-order says that the node will be traversed in between left and right subtree. So first of all, complete left subtree recursively you traverse. After that, node, and then complete right subtree in the recursive manner. And post-order traversal says that first of all, complete left subtree you traverse, then complete right subtree you traverse, and after that, node. Got it? Very simple, very simple. Yes. So what is N? N here is node. What is L? L is left subtree. It's not a child, Babu. It is not only the child, it is complete left subtree. It is not the child, it is the left subtree, and capital R is right subtree. Okay, got it, got it. Chaliye, so let's start with the very basic, easiest example. Here, pre-order traversal. It says first of all root, fine. After that left subtree. In the left subtree also first root, then left right. There is no any left right. Then come back, A is right. In the A is right also first of all root, and after that remaining subtree, which is not anything. Now Inorder traversal. Inorder traversal says first of all left subtree, B, then root, then right subtree. Postorder traversal, it says first of all left subtree, then right subtree, then root. Easiest example, सबसे आसान, very easy. Now next is another question. Here it is. So before we go for question, let's check it out what exactly we did in terms of recursive algorithm. So for pre-order traversal, what we did, look at this. Pre-order traversal, we have called for root of the tree. T is pointing to the root of the tree. So yeah, I'm checking if T is true, means not null. Then I'm doing what? First of all, printing the data, means traversing that node. After that, I am calling pre-order traversal, same function, recursively for left child and recursively for right child. This is the recursive algorithm for the, or recursive function for the pre-order. If we want to go for in order, then what changes you will make in this particular function? What changes you will make? क्या करेंगे आप लोग, बताएं जरा क्या changes करेंगे, बता दो यार, बता दो यार, बता दो यार. What changes you are going to make in this if you will be going for in order traversal? For in order traversal, you will be traversing this particular node in between left and right child's call. So I have made a function for you. First of all, in order function call for left subtree, then print the node, then right subtree, entirely recursive call. That is the in order traversal. For post order traversal, what you will do? क्या करोगे post order traversal के लिए? Then for post order traversal, you are going to call the first of all post order traversal for left child, then right child, recursively traverse left and right subtree completely, and after that print the data. Good, nice, amazing. Got it? Now can you solve this particular question? Can you tell me what are the pre-order, in order and post order traversals for this one? Can you tell me what is the pre-order, in order and post order traversal? Come on, quick. So first of all, pre-order traversal, what it says? Traverse the root, done. After that go towards left, again traverse the root, then from here go towards left, traverse the root, left nothing, then C is right, nothing, then B is left is completed, then B is right, nothing, A is left completed, then go towards right. In the right, first root, then left, then right. A, B, C, D, E, F is the pre-order traversal. In order traversal says A you will traverse after traversing its left subtree. So C and B will be traversed first in some order. After that only A will be traversed. Then after that D, E, F will be traversed in some order. In order traversal, of course. So first of all go towards left. And for B also you need to do the same thing. First of all, left subtree complete, and after that B you can traverse. So what you will do in the in-order traversal? For B also, first you will traverse the left subtree B, then after that B. Then A's left subtree is completed, then you can traverse node, and for this particular subtree you need to call right subtree of A, you need to call. For right subtree also you need to do the same thing. First of all left, then root, then right. So it will be E, D and F. That will be your in-order traversal. That will be your in-order traversal. Now what is the post-order traversal? Post-order traversal says that you need to traverse A at the end. सबसे last में A को traverse करना है. First of all, you traverse entire left subtree, then right subtree, then root. For this left subtree, if you are calling, for left subtree also you need to do the same thing. First of all left, then right, then root. So first of all, you will traverse here C, B's left child, then right, nothing, then B. Can you traverse A now? No. Why? Just because अभी तो left subtree ही खत्म हुआ है ना. Till now I have traversed only left subtree. Now traverse right subtree post order way. Right subtree post order way. After that A you will traverse. If you are traversing right subtree in post order way, means first of all E, then F, then D you are going to traverse. So first of all E, then F, then D, left right, then root, and after that entire subtree, left and right subtree of A done, then you are going to traverse A. Clear? Understood? See, this is the regular method which is based on our algorithms. However, the algorithm works based on that you can calculate these pre-order, in-order, post-order traversal easily. But if you are not convenient with these methods, if you are not very comfortable with these methods, then one more method I have, and this particular method will work like a magic for you. It's not a trick, it's just a method derived based on the algorithms only, and this particular method will give you the easiest way possible answer for any kind of tough traversal question. So let me tell you this particular dot method, which is very effective. I will ask some questions, you will have to give me the answers, and based on your answers I will derive this particular method so that you can remember. In pre-order traversal, what is the sequence of traversal? First of all, what you traverse? Left subtree, right subtree or node? What you traverse first? You traverse first node, and after that what you traverse? After that you traverse left subtree, then you traverse right subtree. Means if I ask what is the direction of traversal, first left to right or first right and then left, your answer should be what? First left then right. So what I can derive the information from all these points is we are going to traverse the node first before its left and right subtree. Before its left and right subtree, which means we are traversing the root first before its left and right subtree. Direction of traversal is from left to right. So if I am asking you the same thing, then what I do is before each and every node I am putting a dot. And what is the dot? See, for A I will traverse before its left and right subtree in the left side. Why? Just because left is the direction, starting direction. Left to right I'll have to traverse the node. Okay, now for B also put a dot before B here. Why? Just because I am traversing, I will have to traverse B before its left and right subtree. Similarly, I will put a dot here before D. I will put a dot here before C, before E and before F, like this way. Might possible in your childhood you might have drawn some kind of drawings or paintings or lines on the right on the walls. In the childhood, maybe 5 year 6 year old yourself might have drawn lots of paintings or drawings or maybe lines on the wall, today also you need to do the same thing. आज भी वही करना है. Take a point, take a particular pen, and then take the round of entire house like this way. You need to draw the line over the border. If suppose some fridge comes in your wall, up wall to wall you are just going with the line, and fridge comes, oh no problem, I will go around the fridge, I will have the line over the fridge also, but I am not leaving the boundary. The same thing you need to do here. The method is exactly same thing you need to do here is traverse the entire tree from left to right. You got agreed on this point ki sir, traversal direction is first left and then right, so I am going to start from the root starting from left to right. I will not leave the boundary and I will draw the line. So start from here. Look at this, concentrate कीजिए, just concentrate here. I am not leaving the boundary and I am just drawing the line over entire tree like this way. Got it? And this is my direction. I am going towards this one and coming up like this one. Very good morning everybody, very good morning. Now look at this. Whatever the sequence of dots we are having, in whichever the sequence we are observing the dot in this particular path, that is your pre-order traversal. In which sequence I am observing the dot? First of all, first dot comes A. Then after that, next dot is B, then C, and we are going with D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. This is pre-order traversal. Yes, based on my method also I got the same answer. This dot method also gives the same answer. Understood? What we did is nothing, just put a dot before left and right subtree in the left side. Why? Just because traversal direction is left to right. First left subtree, then right subtree. So I have put the dot before the node and I have started a traversal from left to right. Don't leave the boundary. In whichever sequence you get the dot, that is your traversal. Same thing can we do for Inorder traversal? Ji haan. Yes, we can do for Inorder traversal. When we traverse the node after left subtree but before right subtree, we traverse the node in Inorder traversal after left subtree but before right subtree, in between left and right subtree. Yes, so where we will put the dot for Inorder traversal? In between left and right subtree. So here is the left subtree, here is the right subtree. I'll put the dot here. Here is the dot. Necklace पहना दो हर एक नोड को. Between left and right subtree. Between left and right subtree. It is very easy method. Now look at this. Same thing I need to do. Same वही का वही जो मैंने पहले किया था. Start the line from leftmost corner and go from left to right. Don't leave the boundary. Don't leave the boundary. Look at this. Keep going. Keep going. Whichever the sequence we are getting of the dot, that is your Inorder traversal, and that will always be a correct answer. So what is the Inorder traversal? First of all, I am observing C, then which dot next? B, then A, C, B, A, and after that, after A you are having E, D and F. E, D, F. C, B, A, E, D, F, CBA, EDF. Yes, exactly same answer we got here. Exactly same answer we got here. So remember, for Inorder traversal, you need to put the dot between left and right subtree. Now one thing, so many students, आपको हंसी भी आएगी. You will laugh on this particular point, but so many students make this silly mistake. Look at this. Sir, I had this A node, its left child is C. I have put the dot downside of A, but मेरा आंसर सही नहीं आया. Now look at this, what you did, you drawn the tree and its child like this way. आपने ये डंडा यहां से बना दिया and you have put the dot just under A. I told under A means after left and before right subtree. So you need not to put the dot here बाबू, यहाँ पे नहीं, ये डॉट यहां नहीं प्लेस करना है. You need to put the dot here after the left. रिमेंबर, ऐसे डंडे आप उल्टे खींच के और फिर गलती कर सकते हो. इट माइट पॉसिबल. Okay, it might possible. I know that so many students have shared their answers कि sir we have put the dot correctly but we are not getting the correct answer. So sometimes people will go like this way, sir here are left child C, I am putting the dot here, I am not getting the correct answer. Please look at the method and understanding. डंडा खींचने से लेफ्ट साइड में ये सी नोट तो लेफ्ट में बन गया, बट थोड़ा ध्यान तो दो, डॉट आपको कहां लगाना है, यहां पे. So please take care of such points. Please take care of such small points so that you will never make a mistake. If left child is there, you always draw the left like that way. यहां से डंडा नहीं खींच देना. Please do this so that you will definitely get the correct answer. Now for post order traversal, I guess you got the correct idea. For post order traversal, now you are champion. Now you are a pro student. You can tell me what to do exactly. Post order traversal, first of all left subtree, then right subtree, and then node. So node will be traversed after its left subtree and right subtree at the end. So from left to right direction, I will provide the dot in the end, in the right side of the node. Got it? Got it or not? Now traverse the entire tree from left to right so that in whichever the sequence you are getting the dot, you can get or you can write down the sequence and you will be getting the answer. Whatever the method I have explained you, this particular method and its points, please write down in your notes. Whichever the notes you are preparing, all those notes you prepare in such a way that this particular where you are putting the dots, why you are putting the dots, and what you are doing with this boundary, in what sequence you are printing the elements. All these you write down in the notes so that whenever you will revise, you can recall easily. So what is the post order traversal? In which sequence I am putting the dot or I am observing the dots? First of all C, then B. After B I am getting E, F, D, E, F and D, and at the end I am observing A. CBEFDE, CBEFDA, this is exactly post order traversal which we have already seen. So if these methods, dot methods, are easy for you as compared to the conventional method, you can go with these dot methods. But remember these methods, these are very easy. These are very easy. Now I have given you a question. You need to give me tree traversal of this particular tree using the dot method. I want you to practice the dot method. Give me the answer. What is the pre-order traversal based on the dot method? So put the dot, draw the tree, put the dot in your copy and share the answer with me, that based on dot method you are getting the same answer as the correct answer or not. Do it now. Okay, so I will also do along with you. मैं भी देखूं मुझे भी आता है कि नहीं आता है, देख लूं, करके देखता हूं. Okay, so pre-order traversal, dots should be put before the nodes, before left and right subtrees. Okay, यहां लगा दिया dot, ये रहा, ये रहा. One more silly mistake I will share with you. One more silly mistake in this type of questions I'll share with you कि कैसे exactly लोग mistakes कर सकते हैं. So I put the dots. Now I will go from left to right. So whichever the sequence I will be observing, that will be my pre-order traversal. Sequence of dots in this particular. ये चलिए 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 चलो चलते चलो चलते चलो चलते जाओ चलते जाओ चलते जाओ, ये चले चले चलो. ये बंटी की गाड़ी रुकती ही नहीं। की करा पापा, पेट्रोल खत्म ही नहीं होता। Okay, so this is the pre-order traversal in the sequence A, then B, D, E, F, B, D, E, F, after that C, G, H, I, J. This is the pre-order traversal I'm getting. Just check out if you are getting also the same answer or not. Remember the point कि you need not to, you will not have to leave the boundary. नहीं छोड़ने का है, बाउंड्री नहीं छोड़ना है. Keep the boundary, keep your pen towards the boundary, don't leave the boundary. Okay, now listen. One more point. Look at this particular tree. When we had D here and when we had G here, you know, so many students do what? यहाँ डॉट लगाया और उसको जाते जाते ट्रेवर्स करके आ गए. This part of G you have put somewhere in the middle and you have traversed for D. So please take care of this point. So if this dot is along with G, keep it close to G so that it will not be traversed for D. ये D के साथ traverse ना हो जाए. Got it? Got it or not? If you got the pre-order traversal, can you draw the tree for in-order traversal? Also, for in-order traversal, you need to put the dot between the left and right subtree here. So here, see, diagram is little bit confusing. This is the right subtree. Okay, so B के left और right subtree के बीच में dot लगाएंगे. So take care of this. Okay. The typing team has drawn this diagram. That's why they do not understand the meaning of left and right a lot. Again, see, look at this. C के G में left में कहां से डंडा आया है? Where is the line? Okay, so take care of all these points. ठीक है, okay, got it. First of all B, then E, D, F, and after that A, entire left subtree is done, then A, then G, then I, H, J, at the end C, and finish. तुमने ऐसी लाइन तो बहुत बनाई होगी, फिर तुम्हारे चेहरे पे भी तो लाइन बनी होगी ना, पापा मम्मी ने बनाई होगी. यहाँ पे 5-6 लाइन लगातार नहीं बनी? B, E, D, F, A, G, I, H, J, C. So B, E, D, F, P, E, D, F, A, then G, I, H, J, G, I, H, J, C. This is the in-order traversal. And for post-order traversal, where you put the dot, कहाँ पे लगाओगे dots? After the left and right subtree, you put the dots after the left and right subtree here. So if you put the dot after left and right subtree here, I am putting the dots after each and every node. Look at this, D and G very close, so I am keeping my dot very close to D so that I can understand this dot belongs to D only. ये G तक नहीं जाना चाहिए. लाइन के ऊपर डॉट बना दो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सर्कल के ऊपर डॉट बना दो, चलेगा, बट डोंट कीप इट सो अवे फ्रॉम द नोड दैट इट बिकम्स द पार्ट ऑफ सम अदर नोड. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, next post order traversal. What is the answer for post order traversal for you? What is the answer for post order traversal for you? ये चलो हो. थोड़ा सा मिटाएंगे इसको, इधर से गलत चले गया. तुमको नोट के ऊपर नहीं आने का है. So what is the post order traversal printed here? E, F, D, B, then I, J, H, G, C and A. That will be your post order traversal. E, F, D, B, I, J, H, G, C, A. Okay, few of you have given the correct answer also. Now what I wanted is, if suppose such kind of big tree comes and if any traversal to be asked in the exam, you can do one thing. Basically, whatever the method you know, regular method, calculate the post order, pre-order, in-order traversal of that tree, and after that you can verify with this dot method also, so that you can understand, yes, whatever I have done was correct one. Sometimes it might possible that in the regular method, when you are in little rush or you are solving multiple questions of multiple subjects, you may miss a small point, maybe because of lack of concentration, and you may commit a small mistake. So you can verify your answer with this dot method, and of course your answer will be correct and matched and verified. So if you guys are clear about these three traversals, then let's talk about another thing, which is a question. It's an homework question. You can take a snapshot of this, or you can download the PDF later on from my Unacademy Gate CS channel of official channel of Unacademy's Computer Science from the Telegram, and then you can solve this particular question as homework. Now let's talk about observations. When we see the observations from traversal, we see that the very first symbol of pre-order traversal is always root. So in the pre-order traversal, wherever we take the pre-order traversal of any tree, first of all, what we traverse is root. So first of all, whichever the first value printed, that will always be root of the tree. So if somebody doesn't give me the tree and gives me this kind of traversal, I can easily understand that A should be root. Why? Just because in the pre-order traversal, it has been traversed first. Similarly for post-order traversal. For post-order traversal, the last symbol always will be root. सबसे लास्ट में जो आपने प्रिंट किया वो रूट होगा पोस्ट ऑर्डर ट्रेवर्सल में. इन प्री ऑर्डर ट्रेवर्सल द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग इज रूट. सो रिमेंबर दीज 2 पॉइंट्स. वेरी वेरी सिंपल यार, ट्रेवर्सल पे ही डिपेंड करता है. हाँ, प्रिंट करते हैं सबसे पहले प्री ऑर्डर ट्रेवर्सल में रूट कोई, तो वेरी फर्स्ट सिंबल इन प्री ऑर्डर ट्रेवर्सल ऑलवेज रूट. Very last symbol in the post order traversal is always root of the tree. Remember these points, very easy. Now based on this, we have a question. So some 3 traversals are given. Among these 3 traversals, one is in order, one is pre-order, one is post order, but don't know which one is which one. I don't know that which one is in order, which one is pre-order, which one is post-order. It's your job now to identify that which one is pre-order, which one is post-order, and which one is in order. Can you identify? Yes, you can do it, just because you are champion. You are champion, you are a pro person, right? So how to identify? How to identify? It's very simple. It's very simple. Just now I told key first symbol in pre-order traversal should be root. So if I am assuming, suppose first one is pre-order. How to check it? I'll tell you. How to check it? I'll tell you. If first one is pre-order traversal, then G should be root definitely. Definitely the G is root. If other two are having one as post-order traversal, then among those two, this one or this one should have G as the last symbol. अगर G रूट है, ये प्री ऑर्डर मान लिया, G रूट है, तो इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक ऐसा होना चाहिए जो पोस्ट ऑर्डर ट्रेवर्सल है और उसमें G सबसे लास्ट में होना चाहिए. Do we have G as the last one? No here. No here means this is not pre-ordered certainly. Definitely this is not pre-order traversal, that's for sure I can tell. क्योंकि G root नहीं हो सकता. Why? Just because if G is root, it should be present here or here, either here or here as root, as the last symbol. नहीं है. Okay, fine. So drop the idea of this one. Now let's go for the next one. Next one is, suppose 2 is pre-order. If 2 is pre-order, then what happens? E is root. E is root. If E is root, first symbol, then either 1 or 3 should have last symbol root. Here is root? No. Here is root? E? No. No, not E here. Not E here means this 2 cannot be pre-order traversal. No, not at all. Pre-order traversal नहीं है 2. Now 3, let's see if this is pre-order traversal. If 3 is pre-order traversal, root is M. If root is M, then among these two should have one, we should have one which is having M as root last symbol. Yes, we have. Yes, we have this one. First one, last symbol is M, means this is post-order traversal. I can identify this is pre-order traversal, and here it is in-order traversal in which root is traverse in middle. Very simple. So first one is post, second one is pre-in, and third one is pre. That is the simple method we could use to identify which one is which one for the given traversals. Got it? Easy it is. Easy it is. Got it? समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? समझ में आ रहा है क्या? बांगड़ू जल्दी बता दो. If you guys are understanding well and good. One more thing, if you haven't liked the video, video को like कर दो यार. And now we are going to see a very new, very different kind of methods of traversals is converse order traversal. What is converse order traversal? See, regular method of traversal is what? We traverse the left subtree first, then right subtree. Start from left, then right. Converse order traversal says that no, हम उल्टा जाएंगे. We will go in the reverse order. For every traversal, we will first traverse the right subtree, then left subtree. So if we are traversing first right subtree, then left subtree, which means these are converse order traversal. So regular, previously 3 traversals which we have discussed, all those, these are called as conventional representations or conventional traversals. These are the conventional ones. These are conventional ones. Why conventional? Just because these says that we are going to traverse the tree first left subtree, then right subtree. First left subtree, then right subtree. But here in the converse order traversal, we are going pre-order traversal. What will be the sequence? Sequence should be first of all node, then right subtree, then left subtree. So first of all node, then recursively right subtree, then left subtree. Converse in-order traversal, same concept. Instead of solving or instead of traversing left subtree first, we are traversing right subtree first, then node, then left subtree. Converse post order, right subtree, left subtree, then node. Yes, got it, got it, got it. Let's solve the question for this one. Can you get me the pre-order traversal, converse pre-order traversal for this particular tree? If you want, you can go with the regular method, which is little bit difficult क्योंकि आपका दिमाग लेफ्ट में पहले चलता है. My mind always go towards the wrong direction, left side first, not in the right side. That is the regular implementation of your mind. Why? Just because you have tuned it for so many questions, for so many practice, that first left then right. So might possible you may commit a small mistake, and here comes my savior method, which is called as dot method, which is dot method. So my dot method will work here amazingly perfectly well. How? Pre-order traversal? Yes, means I need to put dot where? Before the node. But here one small point you need to understand is the direction of traversal is what? This time the direction of traversal has been changed. What is the direction of traversal this time? It is right to left, Babu. Right to left. Yes, right to left means you need to put the dot before the nodes. Yes, but starting from the right first, before right and left subtree you need to put the dot, means you need to put the dot here before the nodes, starting from the right side direction. I need to put the dots before the nodes starting from the right direction, and now traverse the entire tree from right to left. Right to left, go for it. Chalo, right to left. Traversal direction will be right to left. Kar do. कर दो करके देखो. This is the traversal direction. And what is the traversal? Can you tell me what is the traversal sequence printed? First of all, A, then D, then F, then E, then B, then C. A, D, F, E, B, C. That will be the traversal. Understood, understood, understood. If you understood this one, then we will go for the next. We will go for the next. Next is, again, that's what I'm telling you. You might commit a small mistake if you will go with the regular method. If converse order traversal is asked, then you can go with such kind of dot method, which works easy, perfectly well, and you don't have margins to commit the mistakes a lot. So instead of going directly, 5 seconds 10 seconds lagega, draw the tree and put the dots and go for the answer. If you will get the correct answer in one time, you will not waste a lot of time in just verifying that you got the correct one or not. For in-order traversal, where the nodes are traversed, nodes are traversed in between the left and right subtree, but here the starting is right subtree. First right, then node, then left. So first right, then node, and then left subtree. Right, node and left subtree. Here left कुछ है नहीं, right कुछ है नहीं. First right, then node, then left subtree. First right, node, left subtree. Put the dot in between the left and right subtree. Starting from the right subtree, you just start your traversal sequence right to left. In whichever the sequence you encounter the dots, those will be your sequence of traversal. Very simple method. Just understand that where to put the dot and what is the direction of traversal. So what is the direction of traversal? From right to left. So it is F, then D, then E, then A, then B, then C. Got it? Look at this. It is converse order traversal, and in the converse order traversal we traverse first right subtree, then left subtree, and because of that we have dots starting from the right. In the preorder traversal we put the dot before right subtree in the right side so that the direction will be correct, and here we put the dot in between the right and left subtree. For postorder traversal, you need to put the dot at the end, but after right and left subtree, starting from right to left. Direction is right to left. First of all right subtree, then left subtree, then node. So first of all right subtree, then left subtree, then put the dot for the node. Right subtree, left subtree, and then put the dot. Right subtree, left subtree, and then put the dot. For all the nodes, you need to put the dots after right and left subtree at the end from right to left direction. Got it? Now listen. Same thing. यहाँ पे आप क्या करेंगे? ये लीजिए. Take the traversal. Entire tree will be traversed from left to right or right to left this time. Right to left, from right to left. And look at this. What is the traversal? F, then E, then D, then C, B, and A. Converse post order is F, E, D, C, B, A. Got it? Everybody confirm that you are clear about all these methods. Then you can understand any type of questions based on the regular traversal. Tree is given, traversal is asked, you can easily get the answer if you understood all these dot methods and regular methods. Dot method works fine when we have a large tree or we have converse type of traversal or something. If some changes are given in the regular method, this dot method can work best. Why? Just because it is easy to put the dot and traverse and give the answer. It's a simple method but always gives you the correct answer. Clear? Now look at this. If you observe this particular tree, you put the dot here in the left side of A. You put the dot in the left side of A. If you can compare this converse post-order traversal, this is converse post-order traversal. If you compare this, you can imagine your conventional in-order traversal or pre-order. Conventional pre-order traversal. Look at this. Conventional pre-order traversal also, you put the dot in the left side of each and every node. You can see you have put the dot in the left side of every node, right? And in the converse post-order traversal also, converse post-order traversal also, you have put the dot in the left side of the tree. But only change you had in the regular conventional pre-order traversal was you were traversing from left to right. And in converse post order, you are traversing from right to left. So only one thing is just sequence is reversed. Sequence is reversed means if I take reverse of this, then I will get conventional pre-order traversal. A, B, C, D, E, F. Conventional pre-order traversal of the same tree. You can see conventional pre-order traversal A, B, C, D, E, F, just reverse of the previous method. In this one, same tree, regular pre-order, put the dot left side and traverse the entire tree from left to right. This time for converse one, we have traversed the tree from right to left and we got converse post-order traversal. Means if look at this, if I take reverse of converse post order traversal, I get pre-order traversal, conventional one. And similarly, look at this, this is pre-order traversal, conventional one or converse one. So in the converse pre-order traversal, if we put the dot right side, post order में भी तो वही करते हैं. We do the same thing in post order traversal also, but the direction is reverse. So if you take converse pre-order traversals reverse, C, B, E, F, D, A, 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 C, B, E, F, D, A. Look at this. This is the post-order traversal. Right. So here another point I have given. Reverse of converse pre-order traversal is post-order traversal. वाइज वर्सा इज ऑल्सो ट्रू यार, कि अगर कन्वेंशनल पोस्ट ऑर्डर ट्रेवर्सल का रिवर्स लिया तो आपको कॉन्वर्स पोस्ट ऑर्डर प्री ऑर्डर मिल जाएगा, एंड प्री ऑर्डर ट्रेवर्सल का रिवर्स लिया तो कॉन्वर्स पोस्ट ऑर्डर मिलेगा. फॉर इन ऑर्डर रिवर्स विल गिव यू इन ऑर्डर, फॉर इन ऑर्डर रिवर्स विल गिव यू इन ऑर्डर. इन ऑर्डर का इन ऑर्डर ही मिलेगा. वाई? जस्ट बिकॉज वी आर पुटिंग द डॉट इन बिटवीन ओनली. सो रिवर्स ऑफ कॉन्वर्स इन ऑर्डर ट्रेवर्सल इज कन्वेंशनल इन ऑर्डर. Remember these points. Small points are there, but very important for your understanding. Look at this. I have brought the converse pre-order, in-order and post-order key algorithm also for you. So in the converse pre-order, first of all print the data, then call for right child, then left child. For in-order, first right child, then data, then left child. Then for post-order, first of all call for right child, then left child, then traverse the data of the node. Simple, as we have seen already. Simple. These are the based on the same thing which we have already seen. आपके सिर्फ notes के लिए, आपके लिए this particular thing is available. अभी traversal खत्म नहीं हुए. There are few more traversal. One is called as level order traversal. What level order traversal is? You might have some kind of perception about this level order traversal. That may change today. So listen this. what level order traversal says? Level order traversal says you should traverse the nodes in the level wise level order. Suppose this is the tree, and in this particular tree I need to traverse the node or traverse the tree in the level order. You need to remember one thing. You need to start from level number 0, the first level, level number 0. You traverse all the nodes of level number 0. After that only you can go to the next level. Then on the next level you traverse all the nodes, then only you can traverse the next level. Then on the next level you traverse all the nodes, then only you can move to the next level. That is the basic definition, level by level. Now see, the most standard level order traversal is all the levels are traversed from left to right. All the levels are traversed from left to right, means you can write level order traversal like this: A, then next level in the left to right B and C, next level D, E, F, and next level is starting from left I, J, G and H. But this is not only possible level order traversal. You can traverse the nodes of any level in any sequence. एक लेवल पे जो नोड्स हैं उनको किसी भी सीक्वेंस में ट्रैवर्स कर सकते हो. मींस I'll tell you. First of all, you are traversing A. After that, on the next level, how many nodes you have? 2. So these 2 nodes you can traverse in any order, first B and C, or after B, or after first C and then B. So you can go with B and C, or you can go with C, B, both are correct. Only rule is until you finish this level you cannot traverse the node of next level. बस इतना ही rule है. Sequence is not defined properly in the standard की बस यही follow करना है, ऐसा नहीं है. So you can traverse B and C, you can traverse C and B, you can traverse C, B also. Now once this level is completed, this level is done, you need to traverse the nodes on the next level. This again the same thing I'm telling you, D, E, F you can traverse in any order. In any order means in D, E, F you have actually 6 combination, 3 factorial way, so that you can traverse D, E, F. आप किसी भी sequence में traverse कर सकते हो. You can traverse in any sequence. You can first take E, then after that D, then F. Your choice. 6 possible ways are there. 3 factorial ways are there to traverse the entire level. Yes, possible. Of course possible. Of course possible. Now for the next level also you have 4 nodes. These 4 nodes I, J, G, H you can traverse in any sequence possible, which is 4 factorial possibilities. किसी भी सीक्वेंस में करो आप, पहले J ले लो, फिर G ले लो, फिर H ले लो, फिर I ले लो, फिर पहले G ले लो, फिर I, फिर H, G, whatever you want which sequence you can take that sequence, but remember all the level nodes should be traversed. कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. EDF possible, EFD possible, FDE possible, FED possible. So many 6 possible ways are there to traverse these nodes, but you need to traverse all these nodes 3 before you go for the next level. That's the only rule. So if in the question given that is this correct level order traversal or not, you need to just understand first level, then second level, then third level, then fourth level. Now in third level or fourth level or fifth level or sixth level, entire nodes are traversed together or not, that is only you need to check. In whichever the order, in whichever the sequence, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. So many possibilities are there. Then after that 4 factorial possibilities are there for I, J. You can go with I, G, J, H, whichever you want, you can go for it. This is also correct one, this is also correct. See, there are some standards followed कि every level will be traversed from left to right only, or every level will be traversed from right to left only, or you will go with the alternate way, one level left to right, then another level right to left, then one level left to right, then another level right to left. You can have some kind of standards followed, but those are not only the standards used. You can go with any sequence you want. आपकी मर्जी पे है सब कुछ. Got it? Now, next thing is double order traversal. What is double order traversal? Double order traversal means every node is traversed two times. Every node is traversed two times. Where two times? So the sequence for this is, first of all, you need to traverse node as pre-order traversal. After that, its entire left subtree, then right subtree, then again node at the end. So node will be traversed two times. Node will be traversed two times just before both of its left right subtree and after the left and right subtree. You need to traverse the node. If that is the case, how to get the level order traversal of this particular given tree? What is the double order traversal? Look at this. I told you my dot method is so effective कि आपको आपको इतना आसानी से सब कुछ समझ में आएगा, आपको बहुत ज्यादा एफर्ट्स लगाने की जरूरत भी नहीं होगी, एंड योर आंसर विल बी अवेलेबल ऑन योर फिंगर टिप्स लाइक दिस. Yes. So every node is traversed two times. Yes. Conventional one only, first left and right. Yes. So where you will have to put the dot. For every node you need to put two dots. Why? Just because every node traversed two times. कहाँ पे? First before left and right subtree and once after left and right subtree. It's like you are gifting every node some kind of earrings. कान के पहना दो दोनों को, सारे नोड्स को. ये लो, इधर लेफ्ट, ये राइट, ये लेफ्ट, ये राइट, ये लेफ्ट एंड ये राइट. Now you need to start from left to right sequence, whichever the sequence you observe, that is your traversal of the dots. Yellow. So what should be the traversal sequence printed? A, B, E, E, B, A, C, D, D, F, F, C. F, F, C and A. देख लो आराम से, इजीली, बहुत बहुत आसानी से समझ में आ जाएगा. Got it? Double order traversal, every node traverse two times. Very simple. But first before left and right subtree, once after both left and right subtree. Now we have triple order traversal. Triple order traversal means every node three times. Every node traversed three times. Every node traversed three times. So when this every node will be traversed, one before the left subtree, once after the left subtree, then once after right subtree also. So node will be traversed before left subtree, after left subtree and after right subtree also. Okay, let's take a simple example. छोटा लेंगे क्योंकि every node will be printed three times. Let's say this is the tree. Triple order traversal. You need to put the dot everywhere. So along with the earrings, now you need to gift the necklace also. एक pendant भी gift करना पड़ेगा आपको. Left side, right side, and in the bottom also you need to put the dot and then traverse. ये देखिए, sequence of dots will give you the traversal. So what will be the printed value? A, B, 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 A, then D, one C. C, then 3 times D, then 2 times C, and then A. That will be the triple order traversal. Got it? Got it? Got it? So triple order traversal is this one. Got it? So what is triple order traversal? 3 times you are traversing each and every node. First before left subtree, once between the left and right subtree, and once after the right subtree. So you need to put the dots 3 times, and the easiest method. Look at this. If you will not use this dot method, then triple order traversals will become little bit tough, difficult for you guys when you will be having a larger tree. Okay, so dot methods work perfectly fine with such kind of typical traversals, and always will be giving you correct answer and in the easiest way possible. Fine. Okay, so for today that's it. Tomorrow we are going to see how to construct the trees using the traversals. So as you know that 2 traversals are required to construct the tree. If you know, well and good. If not, preorder and inorder traversal, or postorder and inorder traversal. But if only pre and post are given, can we construct the tree? Or suppose only pre is given, can we construct the tree? Or only post is given with some other information, then can we construct the tree? Such kind of so many questions answer you are going to get tomorrow. So tomorrow you are going to get answer of this, that how to construct the tree using different traversals, and definitely you will get some questions which might not be, or which you might not have seen before. So don't forget to same time 10 a.m. But today also we have another session 12 p.m. We are having another session within just 1 hour of PYQ session on the link list. So if you want to join that session on the previous year questions of GATE on link list, you can join me on the YouTube. And similarly 3 p.m. today we are going to have the special session, special class on Unacademy, and that will be of revision class. So you can join me there also for the revision. After once we will be fine with this particular construction, then we will go for recursion. It's a festival week, the festival of lights, the festival of crackers, and festival of so much sweets and happiness is coming. So we need also some kind of happiness around us. I am giving you some kind of happiness with some kind of quality education. I am trying to make you laugh, smile during the sessions, understand during the session. I am giving you lots of things to learn during the session. You can give me a smile back by doing what? Sharing my lectures, giving some comments once the lecture is completed on the actual video as a YouTube video, or sharing your dedication hats on the Unacademy's. So go to the Unacademy's platform. If you are aware of that, you are having so many heads over there. You can dedicate those heads to me, and you can write down your comments, what you are liking, what you are expecting, and also that I can understand your expectations, and based on that I can more effective, more appropriate, and more happy, which I always tell you, happy learning. Why? Just because I keep myself happy when I am learning, I want to keep my students also happy when you are learning. Let's share the smile. Let's share the smile with each other so that we can spread the happiness of learning. Okay. And of course, this particular, all these 3 courses are going to be replaced very soon. You'll be getting notified of all these courses. Apart from that, we are having an entire team which is working a lot. Please support these fellas by spreading the words about these classes to all of your students, or friends, all of your colleagues, all of your classmates, whoever preparing for working in the computer science domain. We have other channels also for other engineering branches. For electrical, you can let them know, electrical friends ki creatrix channel is there for them, and then they can log in and they can learn from here. Mechanical, civil, Telugu language, SSCJ for computer science, this is the channel. If you want, you can learn a lot. You please share these lectures, like these lectures, subscribe the channel, and this particular notification you turn on so that you will get the notification of all the classes which we are taking. If you want the PDF of the classes, or if you want notification of all our classes, links and everything, you can join this Telegram channel. And one more thing we have is to be connected with you guys is this Facebook pages. Go and be connected with us. Fine. Okay, so thank you so much for joining. Kumar, we have taken placement batches. You can check out some lectures in our playlist. Go to the playlist section of the channel. You will be checking out some lectures all been taken. Few of the lectures we are going to take in next month probably, just because commitments we are having to finish. And then once again we will start the placement batches live. As of now, placement batches are kept on hold, but there are few lectures we have already covered in terms of in name of placement batch. You can go and check out in the playlist section of the channel. Thank you so much for joining here. Happy learning. Have a nice remaining day. See you soon. Bye bye.